bait. What'd you see down there, Eva?
Eva, what's going on down there?
Hey, Steve. You got a peeper up here. Look straight up. You see her? Through the... You see the eyes? On that side.
Through the wood, through the wood.
Guys, man.
Alright, check your way, 2. Check to the ring. Good.
We're clear over here.
We're ready.
Check your 1 and 2.
1, 2, checked.
Check tether and zip.
We're zipping. I feel like the clouds are moving so fast because those ones were over us and then they were gone. Alright, whenever you're ready.
Okay.
Take a step over to your right for me.
All right.
Yeah. Alright. You can step back over this way. I just wanted to get that.